In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename labels in Blogger. If you've used one label name across multiple posts and later decide you want a cleaner or more consistent name. Blogger doesn't offer a direct rename button for labels, but the good news is that you can still rename a label by applying a new one to the same posts and removing the old one. Once the old label is no longer attached to any posts, Blogger will automatically make it disappear. To begin, log into Blogger and go to the Posts section from the menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll see your full list of blog posts and where you can manage labels in bulk, which makes the process much faster than editing posts one by one. Near the top right of the post list, click the Filter by Label icon. It looks like a small tag symbol. This lets you narrow down the list so you only see posts that currently use the label you want to change. From the menu that appears, select your old label. After you do that, the post list will update to show only the posts connected to that label. Next, click the Select All checkbox at the top left of the post list. This highlights every post currently shown in the filtered results. This step is important because it allows you to update all of those posts at once instead of repeating the process individually. Once the posts are selected, look at the top action bar and click the Apply Labels to Selected Posts icon. This is another tag symbol, usually located near the trash can icon. A label box will appear. In that box, type the new label name you want to use, then select it when it appears. This adds the new label to all of the selected posts. After that, uncheck the old label in the same label selection area. This removes the old label from the posts you selected, while keeping the new one in place. Be careful here and make sure the new label is checked before removing the old one, so your posts stay properly organized. Finally, click Apply to save the changes. Blogger will update all selected posts with the new label setup. And that's it. Once the old label is no longer attached to any posts, it will disappear automatically from Blogger. This is a quick and efficient way to clean up your blog organization, especially if you're standardizing naming conventions or fixing older labels.